How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Bitcoin is falling down right now, about $2,000. This is after news just hit that Biden is dropping out of the 2024 presidential race. How does this make sense? We'll talk about that. A lot of people are probably confused out there. Hey, Trump is very pro-Bitcoin. Why is this bad news? People want to know. So let's talk about that. If you don't mind, hit subscribe. Turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. Also, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, there's a link to Margex underneath the video where you can trade cryptocurrency assets on leverage. There's also an airdrop going on right now. There's also a link to CoinW underneath the video as well in case you want to start trading on leverage futures, but you can also trade spot cryptocurrency there. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies just on spot there. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering, like, what the heck? Joe Biden, first of all, big news. Joe Biden officially drops out of the 2024 presidential race. I know there are lots of rumors of this happening, happening over this weekend, but now it's official. He says, over the past 3.5 years, we have made great progress. As a nation today, America has the strongest economy in the world. Let's continue. I know none of this could have been done without you, the American people. Together we overcame a once-in-a-lifetime pandemic and the worst economic crisis since the Great Depression. We've protected and preserved our democracy, and we've revitalized and strengthened our alliances all around the world. It has been with the greatest honor to serve as the president, and while it has been my intention to seek re-election, I believe it is in the best interest of my party and the country for me to stand down and solely focus on fulfilling my duties as president for the remainder of my term. I will speak to the nation later this week in more detail about my decision. For now, let me express my deepest gratitude. Okay, so he's dropping out of the race. What's more interesting to me when I saw this news was that Bitcoin was falling down. Okay, $2,000. And, in a lot of people's minds, Trump is very pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto. Him now facing someone that is new on the docket probably further cements, that he's the most well-known person, the most well-known name. He's had a lot of tailwinds recently, especially after the assassination attempt. Like, that improved his chances. You would think, in a lot of people's minds, this would be good for crypto, right? President Biden dropping out. Now, what I think actually is going on, first of all, we saw a lot of liquidations. Like, this is the root cause of the drop. We saw $67 million liquidated in about 20 minutes. So that does force down the price of Bitcoin. It was making a rally, which was really interesting. It was making a rally up to like almost 68,000. This is the highest point that we've seen in a while. There is a lot of resistance right around this level, to be clear. But I think what's probably happening is the market had priced in that Trump would probably win this election. Now, we have no idea who the presidential candidate is going to be for the Democrats. So the market is like a little bit uncertain. It makes sense. I mean, the numbers were in, essentially. Trump was going to beat Biden. At least that's what it looked like. But now there's uncertainty. Whoever comes in probably has a better chance than Biden at winning. Otherwise, he wouldn't be stepping down. Now, we have no idea who's gonna be the person that they put forward. So there's just some uncertainty. Now, overall, I don't know if it'll matter too much. Whoever takes Biden's place, I think will probably have a better chance than Biden, because so many people just dislike Biden. They don't like him and his policies in general, but they also realize that mentally he's not completely there. So there were some Democrats that I know that were leaning towards maybe Trump. Now it's uncertain. It's going to be interesting to see who they put forward, but overall, I would not be surprised to see us kind of just return back where we were. I don't know how much this really is going to affect Bitcoin's price long term, that Joe Biden dropped out of the race. I don't think it will really matter, but it will be interesting. I mean, at the end of the day, we still are going to see ETFs buy. Like, do you think Joe Biden dropping on the race is going to cause BlackRock and Fidelity to say, hey, clients, we know you want Bitcoin, but you better stop buying? We're not sure. We're not certain about who the Democrats are going to put forward on the ballot. So, yeah, why don't you just hold off buying Bitcoin? No, they're not going to do that. The fact is, the ETFs are still going to most likely buy a significant amount. They already bought 2.6 billion in July. Advisor flows are just beginning. Like the fact is, we have all these tailwinds for Bitcoin. We have rates lowering later this year too. We just got news that if Trump gets elected, he's considering putting Larry Fink in as the Treasury Secretary. He's thinking about putting Jamie Dimon in as the head of the SEC. Like the fact is, he's replacing everyone that's anti-crypto with people that are more pro-crypto. He's even maybe changing Jamie Dimon's mind on crypto, saying recently he's had a change of heart or he's reconsidered it. So I don't know. I think Trump is still probably going to win based on the polls, whoever they put forward. Maybe it makes things a little bit more of an even playing field, but it will be interesting to watch. Right now, there's a little bit of volatility. It's kind of fun though, right? Volatility is more fun, I think, than just stagnation. So a little bit, $1,000, $2,000 move is welcome in my opinion. If we fall down for some reason, I think it is a buying opportunity. Like we were just at 53.5. We moved up $14,000 in a couple weeks. Another $14,000 move would put us well above 80,000. And now if we fall back down, I think there's a lot of support around 60,000. Not that we couldn't fall below that, but we've seen just a lot of support around 59 to 60,000 in the past. And there are other levels too, like 63,000 is an important level as well. But like if we fall down, I think it's a decent time to be buying ahead of the major massive catalysts that we have for us this bull run. Now keep in mind, I just posted this a few days ago. Let me scroll down because I have been posting a little bit more. The last 7 days, Trump assassination attempt, ETH ETFs to be listed within a week, rumors of Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset for the US, 1 billion computers get bricked, Bitcoin ETFs buy $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Do you not see what is happening? Like all this leads to Bitcoin being more adopted, being bought more. Overall, I think we're in a very good place as Bitcoin holders. If you haven't seen my last video, I just covered some of the major news that happened before this. So definitely go watch that video. I'll put it on the end screen here. There's a lot of important news, some interesting Bitcoin math, and we dive a little bit deeper into the Trump, Larry Fink rumors. Thank you so much. It looks like, by the way, Joe Biden is endorsing Kamala Harris as the Democratic nominee. Okay, it's going to be interesting. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Check out those links to MargeX and to CoinW underneath the video. They have some airdrops so you can get some free money. Just hit the join now button. And the more you trade, the more volume you produce, the more free money you get. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.